अच्छा, उसको सेटअप करने के लिए क्या कुछ चाहिए, क्या चाहिए होता है?
वो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम सिखाऊंगा. हाय एवरीवन. Okay, we are live on LinkedIn and YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Aditya Sharma. With me, I have Dr. Amit Lal. Hi sir, how are you doing?
I'm good, I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, same to you.
Okay, so guys, let us know in the chat box if you can hear us loud and clear. If you can see us, absolutely fine. We are checking it on our end. And happy Thanksgiving to everyone. So let me check.
Okay.
And if you've already joined, please like and repost this event so that others can also join. Okay, okay, okay. Perfect. So we are live on LinkedIn. I can see. Guys, if you can hear us, please repost or please let us know in the chat box first if you can hear us loud and clear, if you can see us fine. And yeah, and we'll get started shortly. Yes,
And
we are on
if you
LinkedIn.
can you see the comments?
I cannot see any comments until now. I can see, yes. Now comments are coming up. Okay. Thanks, Mukul, for confirming on YouTube. Thanks, Arshi. Uh, okay. Okay, so guys, let's allow a few minutes for everyone else to join and then we will get started on today's session, which is about creating a platform like AI Fiesta. You may have heard that there are a lot of AI platforms coming up that offer you multiple LLM models in one platform. And one of the biggest example is Dhruv Rathi's AI Fiesta, which he launched, I think, a few months ago, and it got, I think, 40,000 paid subscribers within a few weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. So it's a
Yes.
great example, right? It can be a great AI business. And today, Dr. Amit is going to show you right from scratch how to build such platform. I'm excited. Let's see how
And
that works.
trust me, guys, for today's session, I've worked out almost a 12-page prompt, right? But trust me, you're going to see magic. You're going to see a whole AI, that platform, and I'll show you that Dhruv Rathi platform also, that what he has built, and we'll try to create almost similar platform, working platform, uh, on right now in this live session. And that is going to happen in just 15 minutes, not more than that. Obviously we can improve and make it much better again and again. Just imagine if you work for 7 days on that same platform, what kind
Yeah.
of product you can create. But we are going to build it and you're going to see that. Okay, so guys, first of all, from where are you dialing in today? If you can let us know from your location.
Yep, I am currently based out of San Francisco Bay Area. So I have written my location. Where are you, Amit sir?
And I'm located in Toronto right now, guys, in Canada. So
Okay.
you can let us know what is your location. And did you watch our earlier sessions also? So Mukul is joining from Brampton, not far from me. Mukul, how are you?
Okay, let's see where are other people located. So Sunil's from Singapore, Anum is from Bay Area. Okay. Pramod is from Austin, Texas. Okay. Arshi is from India. Sunil from Singapore. Okay, perfect.
And
Perfect, perfect.
joining in from India is a challenging time right now. So I would really appreciate people who are joining in from India,
Yeah,
because
I mean, this was,
it's like early morning.
yeah, a few people commented on my LinkedIn post that it's very difficult to join from India because it's either their office time or too early. But guys, somehow we found this as like the most common or the available time. for everyone. So, I mean, we are starting at this, and let's see if we can change it sometime in the future to find a better time, or if this time works for everyone. Our community is getting bigger and bigger every week.
Today,
So,
I guess we are going to cross 1,000 subscribers.
today we'll cross 1,000 subscriber. Absolutely. Absolutely. And guys, please take a minute to quickly like this event so that again others can see it. Those who are new here for the first time, guys, we are on a mission to upskill 100,000 people from both tech and non-tech background in AI skills in the next 4 months. We are uh, monitoring our counter on our YouTube channel. So if you want to become a part of this movement, free AI learning that we do on every Tuesday and Thursday, and we are planning to come up with more free sessions in the future. So please join this movement. I'll share the link with everyone of our channels, and feel free to invite your friends, invite anyone you think that needs to be upskilled in AI, right? Although there is no profession at the moment who doesn't require upskilling in AI. But again, we cannot achieve this goal alone by ourselves. We will need your help to achieve this goal. So feel free to please invite your friends, please invite your network to join our YouTube channel. And we are currently at what? The 942 subscribers in 3 weeks, and let's see if we can touch 100,000 subscribers in the next remaining 3 months and one more week. So how to access previous session, Anu? So if you go to the YouTube channel that I just shared, go to live part of that YouTube channel. I can share the screen and show it to everyone.
Yes, that would be great.
Right, so sharing my screen on, and if you see, so you go to our YouTube channel, AI for Everyone, Aditya, and simply go to the live section over here. Under live section, you'll find recording of all previous session, as well as you will find the next session also available. So I have created the next session, which is on coming Tuesday. In that session, we are going to teach how you can implement a private LLM. So whenever you search on YouTube, sorry, whenever you search on ChatGPT or any other large language model, they store your data for training purposes. So I'm going to teach you how you can have your own private LLM on your laptop and use it for absolutely free of cost and never expose your personal or professional data. And I will also share some of this real stories where people use chat gpt and expose their personal and professional data. Some of them lost their job, some of them leaked their personal information. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel where you need to uh, sign up, subscribe, and for our next event you can click on notify me so that you will be reminded about the next session. The next session is also going to be extremely useful for everyone. Okay, those who are on LinkedIn, let me share the link of the LinkedIn event. Please sign up for it for the next session. Okay, and we will get started shortly. One more thing, Amit sir, if you remember that we were discussing, we want to understand what profession of people are attending this session right now. Okay, so guys, if you can let us know what is your profession, whether you're a business analyst, quality analyst, data scientist, sales, marketing, HR, operation, just let us know your profession. Like that would help us a lot.
Nakul is asking, this is the first time I'm here. Thanks for doing this. I want to ask why you guys are doing this and helping other people.
That's good. So, guys, we noticed that, I mean, there are two types of wave in the market right now. One is that, okay, AI is going to take my job. Okay. And the second thing is there is so much of AI information coming up every single day. Like in just in last week, there were like 10 new AI tools that came up in the market, right? And it is very difficult to catch up on all these things. So people are feeling left behind. So we came up with this movement that, okay, let's educate 100,000 people. And we started with the YouTube channel. As you can see, by the time we reach like in the 5 to 10 minutes, we'll have about 50, 60 people live here By the way, today's Thanksgiving. That's why a lot of people couldn't join. Otherwise, in our last session, we had 80 people. And for this session, I think we had 108, 160 people who signed up. So our objective is to upskill 100,000 people in the next 4 months so that everybody can see, okay, that they are not left behind. And again, as I said, we cannot do it alone. That's why we have also onboarded volunteers or ambassadors of the program. Those of you who showed your interest, I think 16 of you showed your interest. So we have sent you a document. If you have any question, you can also ask that. Okay. Okay, let's see. I will share the next event link, which is on LinkedIn with everyone.
Okay, and guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much AI you are using right now? Are you using like 8, 9, 10? That is like heavily relying on AI, or you are using maybe 3, 4, 5, which is like a moderate usage? So how much AI are you using right now? And I'm not only talking about Chat GPT, I'm talking about other AI tools which you are using. And just to let you know, guys, who are new to this platform, we conduct this session on Tuesdays and Thursday. Time is fixed. So, and on Tuesdays, Aditya teach AI agents, and on Thursdays, I teach AI tools. So
Yep.
that's the whole plan, and that's how we are going to head above also. So that I'm using ChatGPT and Copilot. Apart from ChatGPT, because we know that everybody is using now ChatGPT more than Google, right? But apart from ChatGPT, what other tools you guys use? Because that will give me a lot of new ideas also. Plus, I keep on testing so many AI tools. So that is, I'm in cybersecurity, and we just started implementing. Yes, so I guess cybersecurity in financial field AI is yet to be explored because of the loss of, like, there is a high risk of financial data loss. So most of the companies are like hesitant to implement AI. I guess the next session would be more helpful when we talk about the private LLMs.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, so they're using, Nakul says, I'm using Cursor, I'm using Lovable, Claude, OpenAI, GitHub, Copilot. Okay. Okay, I guess I've tested almost most of them.
Okay, I think so, guys. I've just shared the link of our next event. The event link. Please make sure to sign up for it. Sign up and let me know in the chat box if you've done, and then we'll get started with this session. And again, those who want to be uh, an ambassador in our movement, and the role of the ambassador is to help us grow this community to 100,000 followers or learners in the next few months. So as an ambassador, you'll be sharing our Tuesday and Thursdays learning session. As an ambassador, you'll be uh, promoting or like talking about what you have learned in any of the session, right? So if you're and also it will help you upgrade your LinkedIn professional profile, where you can show that you're active learner in AI domain and definitely get way more visibility. And to our ambassadors, we will be having a monthly meetup to discuss different ideas. We will be inviting you to some of the podcasts that we do with the CEOs of different AI companies. So that's so if you're interested in becoming an ambassador and being a part of this movement and helping us spread awareness about our learning programs or like these live sessions, just comment ambassador and we will send you the starting guide. Okay. Cool. Amit sir, anything else you want to discuss, or are we ready to get started? Yeah, we are already 15 minutes in. I think we have a decent crowd to get started.
So how many people we have right now?
We have about 50 people right now, combining 40 people right now, combining on both the platforms. So
Guys,
I
do
think,
subscribe to the YouTube channel, because that is where we are counting our learners, and
yes.
that will also motivate us to see that how many people have actually being part of this journey, right?
Yeah, I think only 4 or 5 of you guys have subscribed to the channel until now. Please take a moment and subscribe to the channel, because once you subscribe, definitely you'll be getting notified. And as I said, our we'll also get a lot of motivation with that. So I'm sharing the YouTube channel link, because that's how we will get to know, okay, what is the count? Like how many people are actually learning with us, right? We'll only get to know from that. So I'm
Okay.
sharing the link, and once you subscribe, please comment that you have subscribed, and we will get started immediately. Okay.
And I guess we can come back and talk again because the tool will take some time to build. It will be taking around 10-15 minutes. So once I explained everything, that how we are going to build it, what we are going to build, I guess then we can come back and talk more about it. And in the meanwhile, the tool will be building, and then we can go back and see what we have built it.
Yep.
Okay. Any other question, guys, before we start today's session? Okay. And I guess me and Aditya both, we regularly post a lot of things about AI on LinkedIn also. So if you are not following us, you can definitely follow us over there also. And that will help you to know what is our upcoming event, I guess, every week. Although I already told you that Tuesdays and Thursday, that is our fixed time. We have fixed it so that you don't need to wait for anybody. You come here and simply join it directly from YouTube. Okay, I guess we can start.
Yep. Let's get started. You can share your screen.
Okay, let me share my screen. So I hope you remember, if you have attended my last two sessions, I can just give you a brief recap of what we did. I did the first session we built a marketing tool. And in the second session, we built a stock market analyzer, right? And those who reposted about this event, I sent them the whole prompt, the whole document. And same thing we are going to do today also, right? So let me go back. Can you see my screen now?
I can see your screen now. Yes.
So first of all, let's go to this AI Fiesta to see what is this platform is all about, right? So right now you can see Dhruv Rathi has built this platform. He has been selling this platform already. In one of his videos, I clearly heard, and he told that he already made around 40,000 paid subscriber from this platform. So what is this platform is all about? So right now we have different LLM models, right? We have ChatGPT, we have Gemini, we have Grok, we have Perplexity, we have DeepSeek. There are so many, right? And if you want, and every tool has its own plus and minus, right? Grok do something good, ChatGPT something else, Gemini is good at something else. So everybody is using it, like hopping around these platforms. So he identified that problem, right? And then he built this tool which actually helps you to run all these models in one screen. And you can see right now in front of your screen, I can show you a little zoom in. So you can see on this particular slide where he's already showing you that once you write anything in this ask me something, and it automatically generate text from all the different models, and you can compare that which model is giving you a better result, right? So basically this is a combination of all the LLM models. So I was, when this tool came in, I was very fascinated. And me and Aditya was discussing also that how they were able to build it, right? What is the process, how they were able to build Gemini and ChatGPT together, right? So then we thought that, okay, let's learn this. And then when we learned it, we thought that let's teach. And when I came to know that this was just like a 15-20 minutes game, and you can see clearly written that what this tool does. So it basically compares the premium AI models. You can go to Super Fiesta. Super Fiesta is basically, he has integrated now this like building image generation, video generation also. So that is one feature. And then if you go to the pricing part of this tool, and we are going to almost build a similar kind of platform, right? So you can see that in Canada, maybe in India it might be less expensive, but right now if you look at in Canada, only he is giving like $12 a month, even if you know that ChatGPT is $20 a month. So if you, so it looks like a very valuable deal, because I'm getting all the different models at this, or at the price of $12. On the other side, if I go to other platforms like ChatGPT or maybe Perplexity, I have to pay $20 for each of those platforms. So the product makes sense, right? And so based on this, I decided to teach this particular thing. So I hope you understood what is AI Fiesta. So if you have understood this, if you can write in the comment section that okay, you understood it, you can write AI, or you can write just give a thumbs up that okay, you understood what this product is all about. Because if you don't understand this product, then you will not be able to understand what we are going to build today, right? Okay, so Aditya can read the comment section so that you can understand. I've given you a good breakthrough of what exactly this tool is doing, and he has added a video also over here. So I'm frequently, so we're trying to almost replicate this whole model. Okay, and for this purpose, with the, obviously there are multiple tools which are available right now and which can build similar platforms. So I tested it on different platforms. I tested on like Google Gemini AI Studio. I tested it on Bolt also. I tested on Base 44 also. So I tested it on different platform. But I guess one platform which was a standout platform was Lovable. So we are going to build it on Lovable today, right? And for this purpose, I prepared this whole prompt and the tool which we are going to name. So basically, Dhruv Rathi has named it as AI Fiesta, but I am going to name it as the father of AI, right? So basically, we are going to build, and you can see it's a very detailed prompt, understanding what we are going to build, what should be the interface look like, all the features which are available on that platform. I identified each and everything from that platform and then written this complete end-to-end prompt, and it is almost like a 6 7 8 page document, and I'm going to share it with you. You just need, what you need to do is just after this session, write a LinkedIn post about this particular session, that okay, you attended this session and you learned something out of it, and then tag me, tag Aditya, and send me a personal connect request so that I can send you a message and I'll share this whole document with you. And I shared with everyone the last document also. Those who sent me the connect request and send me the posted about us, we shared the whole document, the stock market analyzer app which I built in the last session. I shared that document also with you. Okay, so the one thing is very important, because at the end of the day it is going to use this API, right? Obviously it is going to pull information for API. So what I have done, and I'm going to teach you one more thing interesting over here, that for API, one way of doing it is like you are adding API of ChatGPT and then adding API of Gemini. So what I did, that there is another platform which is called as OpenRouter.ai. So if you go to this website, I don't know how many of you know about it, but if you go to this platform, this is called OpenRouter.ai. It provides you one single key, right? And from the one single key, you can implement all these platforms: Gemini, GPT, Claude, everything in just one API key. So what I'm doing is I'm using this particular API for this one. Obviously, I don't have the paid one. I've just added I just created my account and have few credits with me, but that would be good enough to run, to make you to show you that how this whole platform is working, right? So you can definitely try it out. This is an open router. Use this API key, one single API that can call all of these models. Okay, and I hope this information was useful. So let's go to Lovable now. I hope you have already seen this platform. It's a very famous platform right now, hotcake platform. Although there are a lot of competitor in this space now. I have tested Replit, I have tested Cursor, I have tested Lovable, I have tested AI Studio. So I have tested a different platform for building SaaS platforms. In fact, last session when we were doing session, some of the people asked me that if you have built these applications, why don't you monetize them? So I built an application this week and I monetized it also, and I got 3 subscribers on the first day of application, and I did sold it for an expensive price, not. So I'll show you maybe in future, once I'll have a good customer base on that platform, I'll show you that platform also, that what I built on it. Okay, so right now let's go to what my prompt is. I'll simply copy this whole prompt, and I have to log in. Obviously, I have to create my account. I'll just use one of my. So I have to use my free credits. So let me log in from any account. Okay, so I've logged in into my account. I have few credits with me, and that should be good enough to build this platform. Okay, so right now I'll just paste it everything over here, and I have added my API key also over here. Although, well, when I will send this document to you, I'll not be adding the API key because obviously it will getting closed because it has only few credits left on it, right? So right now, simply just click on this. Nothing to be changed. But what I'm going to do, just to add reference to this, what I'm going to do that I'm going to attach some of the screenshots of AI Fiesta website, right? Because I want to make a similar kind of platform. Otherwise, it was good enough to build some other kind of layout also. But right now, I just wanted to show you, and that's for that purpose. I have taken some screenshots. So I'll simply attach those screenshots over here. So these were some of my screenshots, 1, 2, and 3, just for the reference purpose, so that it can understand that okay, what kind of platform I am looking for, and we are good to go. Okay, so I've added all the prompt, I have added all my screenshots, I've added my API key. We are good to go. Let's click on enter, and the platform will start building itself. Okay, so this might take, because the prompt is like too long, so I am expecting that this might take around uh, at least 5 to 10 minutes. That's what my understanding is. So let's wait for that time. In the meanwhile, we can discuss and we can come back on this. And if we can come back on this platform. Let me stop sharing. Let it build. I'm not going to write anything in between. We're going to just talk. And we are going to discuss about what we are going to do, what we are doing right now, what is our problems in learning AI, and then we can come back on this. Do send me a connect request. I'll send. In the meanwhile, I'll share my LinkedIn profile. So let it build for less 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. Where are we? Right. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So how did you like this idea, guys? That we are going to build a complete application, working application, which is already selling in the market like a hotcake, right? And you can understand with this the power of AI also, that if you have good idea, if you understand what exactly you need to want to build, I feel the best part of AI right now, that it has like difference between a coder and a non-coder is blurred now. Earlier this was like a big difference. There was a big difference. I personally have felt it so many times that I had a good vision on a product. I wanted to build like a product, but I was not able to explain it to maybe software engineers, or they were not able to build what I was expecting, right? Or maybe the time of building it was so high, or the cost was so high. But now I guess with this, and I'll put a timer on also in the meanwhile, so that we can understand that okay, how much time exactly it took. So let me start my stopwatch, so that we'll see that. So right now I've started my stopwatch also, guys, so that by the end of this session we'll be able to calculate also how much time it exactly took. Okay, so
Amit sir, I was thinking that uh, I mean it's a lot. I learned from a lot of people that it's not easy for them to write on LinkedIn. I mean, people find it difficult what to write, how to write.
mhm.
We can provide them like a sample post that they can utilize to post on LinkedIn. So,
Yeah.
guys, those who do not, who have never interacted with me on any of the previous sessions, I have about 164,000 followers on LinkedIn, and and having followers on LinkedIn gets you a lot of inbound opportunities, whether you're doing business, whether you're in a job, so you get new opportunities. And I can tell you that I reached at this number only by posting on LinkedIn. Okay, that is the number one step. Okay, and when I started posting, the biggest fear was okay, what will people think about me, whether I have written good content or not, or how to write it, what to write it. Okay. So I think, Amit sir, we can provide a very high level LinkedIn post to, and then you can make changes to it, or you can simply post the same. Okay.
Okay. So
Uh,
Aditya, right now the time is 1 minute 33 seconds. I'm
it
stopping
is
the
done.
time because the tool is built it.
Very nice, nice. You share your screen.
So
Okay.
let me share my screen and go back to it, and you will be able to surprise. I tested it on other platforms, so I'll tell you the time for those platforms also, and which
Oh,
was successful and which was not successful. So I
okay.
guess these sessions are useful because somebody is already making a weak effort to come to these session and train you on certain tools, which might be very useful. Okay, and you will be amazed to see this what it has built. Okay, you are able to see my screen, right? There we go.
Yes, I can.
Okay, so you can see the name of the tool, the father of AI, right? What it has integrated, it has written every feature of the tool also. What are the different things it will going to include in it? It has added that part also. It has added the price also. I don't know why it has taken like in rupees. I written the prompt in dollar. So that is one of the fix which we can make. That is very simple fix, I would say. So and it has added uh, this one section like try the live demo like a video similar to that, and it has added the FAQ section also. So you can see it has almost built a similar platform with almost similar kind of color. Obviously we can improve the UI of the product. That's not a big deal. You can make hundreds of iteration based on whatever your requirement is, but at least so let me try whether it is working or not working. So it says that ask father of AI. So what should be the first question, Adit? What should I ask? Okay, so let me
How to
ask.
raise VC funds.
Okay, how do how to get funding for my AI app? Okay, so let's see that how many models are exactly working. So it clearly says that failed to get responses, please try again. So it is not working. That's purely, I most probably the API failure could be one of the possible reason. So what I'm going to do, since I'm not going to integrate the AI again over here, so let me go back to that account where I built it earlier, because there I have integrated my API. So API is the only issue is with the API, because it is going to give you a response. That's not a problem at all. So let me, right now I've just shown you how to build it from scratch. So let me go back to that account where I built it the first time. Almost same platform, the same platform it built it. So let me go back to that account because that has an API integration also. Okay. So this was the platform and we built, let me show you where I built my first tool. I have to search for that part. Yeah. So this was the same platform, almost similar. You can see, almost used with the same prompt. You can see the same platform was built, almost with same features, everything. The only difference, and here also he made the same error. So most probably it's something in the some error maybe from the prompt only. So I'll fix it before sending you guys. So here we had this try me option, and I can write over here that how do we see fund, how to get funding for my AI app. Okay, and now you can see, so it is definitely generating. Now you can see ChatGPT is working, DeepSeek is also working. Gamma is not working. Gemini, I didn't integrated it, so Gemini is not working. Obviously, Gemini we will need a different API, the Google API over here for for developing it. DeepSeek is still taking time, but GPT has generated a complete result. That there are several ways of generating, getting a fund, venture fund. Now you will get the result from DeepSeek also. Okay, so DeepSeek is also working. GPT 3.5 is also working. And I guess this one, the last one, should also be Mistral, should also be working because this is a free platform. So this should be also working. In my last response, it was also working. Gemini, we have to integrate it separately. So for that purpose, it was not working. Otherwise, you can see the thing here is that definitely it is working. The good part here is, and let me write a simple like, how are you? Maybe then it will be able to give me, I'm just a computer program, just a computer program. Right, so definitely GPT-5 and DeepSeek is working. We can add the API keys of these tools also, Gemini also, Grok also, and then everything will be working. And it will be just like 5 minutes of it getting the result. That's it. But it is working. You can see right now, I've already shown you. And in this way, the whole platform was built. It is completely based on API keys and based on tokens. So basically what happens that every time when you uh, ask for any query, so it basically uses the tokens through APIs, and that is where uh, so when you buy Dhruv Rathi's platform also, he allocate some of the tokens to you. So once you start using it, it will get exhausted, and then based on that you have to recharge it again. So it might sound like a $12 thing initially, but you might have to pay a little more or even more if you are going to use it extensively. And what he has done, that he has also given you options like closing some of the tools, that I don't want maybe Grok, or I don't want maybe Perplexity. I only want these two, three. So that saves your token. So basically, he's playing on this token system and API system. It's completely doable, no problem at all. We built it in just one. The tool was built in just 1 minute 33 seconds. So we tried it on Bolt. Bolt took a little more time. It took around 4 minutes something, and I built it on Google AI also. So Google AI, Gemini AI Studio was not able to build it completely, to be very honest. And this Replit was also able to build it in around 3 minutes something. Okay, but Lovable was fast, and that's why I used Lovable, this one. And I guess the very good thing which I liked is that since I provided the screenshot, so it was able to fetch almost the similar design which which we were looking for. Right, so everything is here, model is working. So I guess I went for the prompt and everything. I told you I'm sharing my LinkedIn profile with you. You can send me a request, please write a post so that I can share this document with you. That's it.
And in comments, Amit sir, I have provided a sample post as well. Okay.
Oh, that's great.
Guys, I understand it's a pain, or like sometimes people are not comfortable, but even if you're not comfortable, you should always post because that is the only way to get visibility of your work. And when you do it continuously, you'll start getting confidence, But for your convenience, I've given a sample post. Make sure to tag me and Amit sir. So my and Amit sir name are given over there. Just write at in front of it. So we'll be tagged, we'll be notified, and we will send you this 12-page prompt to you. Okay. Any questions that we can answer for you?
And how did you like this session, guys? Because I guess I promised you even before building it, to be very honest. Even before, because after that session, I still remember they called me and told me that we are going to build it. Now, absolutely sure. Yes, post it. Let's try what. Even if we fail, that's not a problem. And you see that when I tried it on my other account, it didn't work it because I guess the API was not able to call it. So I need to maybe generate another API, because that API might be linked with this account, and I've used the same API, and that's the reason why it was not working. So I might have to generate another API, and then I have to call uh, for this. So kindly, if you let us know in the comment section, guys, how did you like this session? Uh, I can
Yep.
see some of the requests. So before I accept them, I'm sharing my LinkedIn profile, guys. So you can simply send me a request. Do write a post. I'll wait for your post. Do try it out, I would say. Once you get the prompt, do try it out build something new, maybe uh, modify this, and rather than just building the same thing.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Okay, so any other question, guys? If you can let us know in the comment section, how did you find this session?
And yeah, so let's start with your feedback on this session. If you actually learned it, and guys, this is the real business. This is the real business that you can set up and start making money. I mean, it's not that you'll just build the platform and people will come and buy it. Definitely, there will be some marketing effort, right? So that will be, but there is a clear example that Dhruv Rathi's platform was bought by many, many, many people,
And I
right?
guess if somebody will ask me that why that platform was able to sell itself, I would still say the product might be not that great, but the following is really great. So Dhruv Rathi has a very strong following, a loyal following. People watch him, people trust him, and that is the reason why that product was sold. And most of the people, specifically a general user, might not be worried about how it is giving results, right? He might be only worried about that, okay, I'm able to compare all my results, and based on that I might be able to find out which model is working for me and which is not working for me. So I guess so that is the reason why it was he was able to sell it. But he also faced a lot of challenges and backslash when he launched that product, and he made a video also on that. Anu says, can you elaborate a bit how you build the prompt? So I built this prompt by going through section by section, to be very honest, Anu. So I started analyzing this whole platform, and then I, based on that, I understood that, okay, what are the different things this platform is doing, and then with the help of, obviously there are so many prompt generator also available in the market, so that can help us to like modify our prompts in a much better way. But still, you have to give a good idea about what this platform is, how was the design, what kind of color, what are the various sections you want to create. So I wrote all those things in detail in the prompt, and you will see it once you will get it. I promise to build after buying my laptop. My current machines has failed, and and buying an AI laptop. Is there any AI laptop is also coming in the market? I guess
I have no
AI
idea.
integration might be, because I have my laptop on which there is a co-pilot button. So I guess that is what AI computer is all about.
Look how our subconscious mind works. So you were saying laptop, laptop, and I was writing comment that next session sign up link,
And
and
you
I
wrote
write
laptop.
next session sign up laptop. Laptop, what was going on? I like next session sign up laptop.
Nakul says overall it was good. However, the people would like to know how you come up with the prompt. I gave you the idea, Nakul, how I came about. Obviously, it took some iteration. I guess it took me around maybe 5 to 7 iteration before I got the final result. And still, it has lot of modification, lot of possibility of modification. I could have easily bought the platform of Dhruv Rathi and could have gone inside the platform, took some screenshots from there, and then I could have better, like, proper login and everything working. Supriya says, you nailed it, Dr. Amit. Thank you so much, Supriya. If you like this session, you like my effort, that is why we are here for, right? At the end of the day, all these sessions are completely free. We come here just to maybe to get some appreciation and some have some good feel good factor, I would say.
Yep. Okay, guys, and as I said, the next session is about implementing your own private large language model on your laptop and never expose your personal and professional data. So, we are going to do that within 15 minutes. We'll show you different versions, and I'll also talk about how you can also recommend your company if they are not allowing you to use ChatGPT. How you can also recommend your company to implement their own LLM on cloud. Okay, so we'll cover all those things, and but yeah, we'll get you started with everybody will have their own large chat GPT in their laptop next time. Okay, so make sure to come and bring one person with you. No stag entry allowed.
Mukul says, I'm unable to send message to Amit. I guess Mukul, just send a connect request. I'll send a message to you. Don't worry. Okay. Do the AI keep the context? You can have a long dialogue and it is the prompt to prompt. No, this one was on one go. I clearly show that it was in one go. I uploaded, although I tested it earlier, so I know that okay how it was built. But what I have shown you right now, that prompt was working in one go. So I didn't change anything. I uploaded directly because I don't want to. Because every time when you write a message to this, so they use the credit. So I don't wanted to waste my credit. So I built in 8 credits. I had 10, so 2 is left now. 8 used. Okay. Thank you. Amit, do try Orchid. Also, the session was great. Okay, I'll try. I'll note it down again. Does the Orchid also is used for building these kind of SaaS platforms, or like an application builder kind of platform? I'll do try it. I'll show you. I promised. I hope you remember. I promised in my last session. In the next session, I'll be showing you that one of the magical AI tool which might be, I would say, that a killer of these kind of like N10 kind of platforms, like end to end task, doing task in front of you, and you are just sitting idle, eating grapes, and seeing what is happening on the screen. Okay, Aditya, I've sent you. Can you conduct a dialogue with all of the AI and just get answer for one prompt? Okay, let me go it again. Can you conduct a dialogue with all the AI and just get a? I guess why not? If we can get answers from all the platform, we can definitely ask them to compile the best answer for you. But again, when if the purpose of if it gives you one answer, then the whole purpose is not met, right? The purpose was to give you different answer so that you can compare, right? And if you will give AI an instruction, so he might give you a very biased answer, and then you will again be sitting with the same problem that okay, uh, it is again then it becomes Chat GPT, right? Why you will use this kind of tool? Okay, any other question, guys? How many subscriber we have got?
We have got good 20 subscribers. I don't know why there's 20 people. They may be already subscribed or something else. But guys, look, our objective is that we make this as the biggest AI learning movement, and we bring in some of the best CEOs of the AI companies here in Silicon Valley on our this live show to talk to all of you, to give us knowledge, right? Some of the best people who are machine learning engineers, AI engineers. And that can only happen if our community grows really, really fast. And that can only happen with you. Again, a few people showed their interest in becoming an ambassador and helping us in this entire movement. So we'll be reaching out to you. If you're also interested, just let us know in the chat box, and make sure to bring in other people on the next session, in the next session on Tuesday.
Okay.
Okay, anything else that you want to cover, or are we good to wrap up?
I was glad to see that people were joining from different uh,
Yep.
places. Like Dr. Shoki has joined in from Thailand.
There are
He's
people from Singapore. There are people
Singapore.
from Australia. I never saw people from those countries. I think in our live event, and this is just third week, guys. So I think we are getting traction from different places. And guys, let us know your thoughts on how we can make this movement even bigger, how we can reach out to more and more people and have more audience in here. Give us your thoughts as well.
Hey, because I guess that has been because we can reach out to limited people, right? We can
Yep.
reach out to maybe 50, maybe 100, maybe 200, but we want thousands of people come to these sessions so that when we also, and that brings a lot of motivation. Trust me, today when we saw that there are around 200 registrations, we were very happy, right, to see
Yep.
that a lot of people have registered. They might have not have come today, but definitely registration was motivating.
Yep. And also, guys, I added the entire LinkedIn post in comment. Make sure to post it, right? That is super important. Post it, it will help you. Uh, And okay, Abhishek is also from New Zealand. Okay, so make sure to post it and make sure to tag me and Dr. Amit, and we'll send you the prompt. And make sure to invite other people, get other people in the next session. Okay.
So Dr. Shoki says, I was not referring to the jury, but I was just for each AI to remember the dialogue. Yes, it can do, I guess. That's not a problem. They can remember your chats. They can even remember your writing style, because right now, I guess that is also not a problem. It can easily understand your context, your history, your personalized prompts, right? Your writing style. So that is not a problem. Okay, any other question, guys? I guess we are already reached top of our hour.
Yep. Yep. Okay. So I think we are good to wrap up, guys. Thank you so much for joining again. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are adding long form or like detailed tutorials almost every day now, uh, and some short form videos to inform you about latest AI news, AI tools, small tutorials on building agents. So subscribing to the channel will not only help you to attend these sessions, but a lot of you to get you a lot of interesting content. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next session. And make sure to post on LinkedIn. We'll look for it. Okay.
Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Do write a post. Do send your connect request. I'll compile this whole prompt together and make it one PDF and send it to you.
Okay, and we will see you on next Tuesday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
Amit
Mhm.
just says it was only allowing me to use Gemini Play. So I told you that I'm using the API router key. I told you, I showed you also, right? You can easily like use Gemini key and it can give you Gemini results. Or otherwise, you can use different keys from ChatGPT if you have paid accounts. So you can integrate those keys and then it can fetch all the information. I guess ChatGPT was giving accurate results, no problem at all. Even the DeepSeek one.
Mhm.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining in, and hope to see you very soon on Tuesday with private LLM.
Awesome. Thanks, everyone. Have a good
Thank you.
weekend. Bye.